Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you a video of me doing tape extensions just for extra thickness on my clients' hair. It's amazing how much everyone thinks that hair extensions is to just extend the hair, which yes it is fabulous for that as well, but also to just give you that extra thickness. There's a lot of us out there that have really fine hair. It's really thin and we just really want to give it a wee bit extra volume just so that you've got more in your bobble when you tie it up, or maybe even just when you give it a wee curl it just looks thicker, fuller and fabulous. So here I'm only using 2 packs of hair extensions. They are from Simply Hair. I'll put a link below so that you can order some yourself if you like, or if you want to come to me, that would be absolutely fabulous if you're in my area. I can order the hair for you and have it within 24 hours, which is brilliant. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on this video. Also feel free to comment if there's anything you want to ask me at all. Feel free to just put that below. So a question I get asked all the time is, do hair extensions ruin your own hair? My answer to that is no, they will not ruin your own hair as long as you're getting them put in properly and removed properly. You've got to follow the aftercare advice that you should be given straight after your appointment, and as long as you stick to that, your hair should still be in great health along with your hair extensions, and you should get at least a year out of them. You can get them out and back in and out and back in. If you'd like to see a video on how to look after your hair extensions, please give this a big thumbs up and comment below and let me know your thoughts. That might be something that you'd be interested in.